One question that is frequently asked in interviews is that Java is called by value or called by reference. Besides, it is also worthy to understand the concept if you are writing code. In this video, we will learn the answer to this question and also understand it practically. To quickly answer the question, Java is always called by value. But let us first understand what does the person asking this question exactly wants to know. When someone asks this question, he wants to know the result of the upcoming scenario. Suppose you are passing a variable to a method. Will a copy of this variable be passed to the method or its reference? This means that if the method being called modifies the value of the variable, then will that change be also reflected in the calling method? Let us find out by writing a sample code. Let us define a new method that takes a string argument. Modify this argument variable by appending another string. Now, define a new string in main method. Create an object of this class to call the method and supply this string here. Print the string after the method call to check if it is modified. Run the program. The value of string is unchanged in the calling method, which shows that a copy of this variable was passed to the method, which means that Java is called by value. But there is a tricky case, and you will see that now. Let's look at another example where we will pass an object instead of a value. Create a new class called person. Add a field name. Now, create an object of this class and set its name to A. Change the method signature to accept the person object as argument. Change the value of name of this object to X in this method. And here, print the name of this person after method call. Also print the name before calling the method. Run this. The name of the object that we passed has changed in the calling method. Wait a minute. We just learned that Java is passed by value, right? Then how come the values changed? To know the reason, first we need to understand how an object is stored. An object in Java is stored in a memory area called heap, while its reference is stored in another memory area called stack. When you pass an object to a method, it is indeed passed as value or copy of value. But this copy is of the reference variable which points to the same heap location. So, when you change the value of field of the object pointed by the copy reference variable, this change is also reflected in the original variable, since they are pointing to the same actual object. Now, let us create another person object and assign this variable to this new object inside the method. Run the program again. Look, now the value of name of original object remains unchanged. The reason is that now the copy variable is pointing to another new object on the heap. So, any changes will be done in the new object and the original object remains unchanged. To conclude, Java is a pass by value language where all the variables are passed as a copy to methods. Any changes made to the values inside method body are not reflected in the calling method. If the passed variable is an object, then copy of reference is passed. Any changes in the properties of object variables are reflected in the calling method as well, and this is because the copy reference variable and original variable point to the same memory location. Hope the video was useful and I will see you in the next one.